earphones and they listen to a story called Road Trip. They use the thinking routine that helps them slow down and make careful observations about what they hear. So I asked them after they listened to try to think back and name at least 5 things. So the first time, some got 4, some got 3, some only was able to name 2. But the second time, look at the difference of what they were able to name. So this one heard an airplane, and I asked, what does an airplane do? She said this airplane goes to Michaela's and Michelle's house. She had just come from a trip. Okay. He heard fireworks because there was fireworks in the city where they went. This one heard the ice cream truck. This one heard rain and thunder because they went through a storm on the road trip. Then they had to wait for a train. They remembered a train. So I let them, after with the clay, design anything that they remembered in the story. So it was a very nice activity where they had to listen and then think again more things. And when they named the same thing, I would say, try to name something else. And they came up with other ideas.
And the activity was the day after the activity was done. They had to remember.
No, immediately.
I did this immediately, and then after nap they did the clay, so they were able to remember in that same.
Yeah, but the 5 times 2 is immediately after listening. And then they have to tell again 5 other things that they listen.
I had to do it that same because they do tend to forget.
We do the same activity looking at something. So
looking 10 times 2. Yes. And what I did is when they woke up, of course, some of them had forgotten. So what I did is they would remember, I said, if you can at least remember one thing, and this is why they came up with the different things. Some have the same answer.